Welcome students. So today we'll see new topic, decimals. So what are decimals basically? A decimal is a point where we say 35.01 or 35.2 or 7.2. That point is said to be a decimal point. So we have studied fractions. So we'll see how to convert a fraction into a decimal number into a fraction. So today we'll see new topic, decimals. Okay. So say suppose I give you an example. So how do we write this? 72.000. We say 72, right? Okay. So this is 72. We don't take this 000. So 0 does not have any value after decimal point. Okay. So we say 72. But where is the point? Point is after 2. Say suppose I have 5. So how do I write? I write 5. Where is the decimal point? Decimal point is after 5. Say suppose now I have 31.63. This point is said to be a decimal point. Okay. 31.63 is said to be a decimal point. So what is this 31? 31 is a whole number. Okay, 31 is a whole number, or you can say whole part. And this 63 is said to be a decimal part. Okay, this 63 is said to be a decimal part, and this 31 is said to be a whole part or whole number. So how do I write this? 31.63. Okay, I write 31.60. Why I write 60? Because it's not having zeros. Okay, if you have zeros, you can write only 31. Okay, so 31.63. This point is said to be a decimal point. Okay, 31.60. This point is said to be a decimal point. So today's topic we will study what are decimals. Okay, so first thing we will see how to convert a fraction into a decimal. Students, we start with an example on fraction. Okay, how to convert a fraction into a decimal. So I'll give you an example. Seven upon 100. Okay, 7 upon 100 is a fraction. So what I have to do is I have to convert this fraction into a decimal point. Okay, convert the fraction decimal point. So there are certain rules, there are certain shortcuts to do it. So the first rule is check the denominator. What the denominator is having? The denominator is 100. Okay, how many zeros does this denominator have? Count that first. How many zeros does this denominator have? Does denominator have how many zeros? 2 zeros. So how do I move the point? Now, where is the decimal point for this? I suppose I write 7. Okay, so where is the decimal point for 7? After 7, right? Okay, the point is after 7, 7.000. Okay, now I need to move this point towards the left. I have to move the point towards the left. How many times I have to move the point towards the left? How many zeros I have? I have 2 zeros. Understood? I have 2 zeros. So move the point. The point is after 7. You have to move this point. 1. Okay. So right, it has 0. So move the point. Point is here, no? 1, 2. So the answer is 0.07. Okay. How many times do you have to move? 2 times. How you know that you have to move 2 times? Check the denominator. The denominator is having 2 zeros. How many zeros? 2 zeros. So you have to move 2 times. Okay. Now, second example. How many zeros does the denominator is having? 1 0. Okay. When is the point? After 22. Correct? After 22. So 22.000 we say it is 22. Okay. So how many points we have to move? 1 point. Where is the point after 22? So move the point. How many times? 1 times. 1. So 22.2. Understood, students? One more example. Three upon 1,000. Okay, where is the point after 3? How many zeros does the denominator is having? Denominator is having 3 zeros. So how many times I have to move the point? I have to move the point 3 times. So after this, put zeros because we don't have any other number. So just put zeros. Okay. Then move the point. Where is the point after 3? So 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 0.003. Understood, students? One more example I'll take. Okay, where is the point? After 4, correct? 534. The point is after 4. So 534.000. So we take 534. How many zeros we have in the denominator? 2. So how many times we have to move the point? 2 times. So move. 1, 2, 5.34. Understood, students? One more example I'll take. Okay, 2 upon 10. How many zeros we have? Only 1 zero. And we have 2. So where is the point? After 2 we have the point. So we have to move how many times? 1 time. Okay? Just put 0 before 2. So move the point. 1. So answer is 0.2. Understood, students? So we straight away do exercise on conversion of fraction into decimal point. So first thing we have to see the denominator. Okay, check the denominator. How many zeros does the denominator have? Okay, say suppose the denominator has 4 zeros. Okay, you have to move 4 times points. Okay, so say suppose I have 2 and I want to move 4 times. So you have to put 0, 0, 0 and then move the point. Understood? So we'll straight away see exercise. We'll see the exercise on conversion of fractions using decimals. Okay, students? Thank you, students.